Let's be honest. Most people saying, I can't afford a house in the UK, have only looked in one place: London. Maybe Manchester city centre. Maybe Birmingham. And then they conclude, the market is impossible. But today I'm going to show you something uncomfortable. There are full UK houses selling from £60,000. Not shared ownership. Not 10% equity. Not overseas. Full houses. So if you're still saying it's impossible after this video, it's not affordability. It's geography. Section 1. Where are these houses? You will not find £60,000 houses in London. Let's stop pretending. But you will find them in County Durham, Peterlee, Ferryhill, Stanley, Sunderland, Hartlepool, Middlesbrough, Burnley, Blackpool, Stoke-on-Trent. Go to Rightmove. Set max price to £70,000. Select houses. Sort lowest first. You'll see 2-bed terraces £55,000 to £65,000. 3-bed ex-council houses £65,000 to £75,000. Auction properties below £60,000. They exist. Right now. Section 2. But they're up north. Yes. Since when did investing require living next door? Investors in London have been buying in the north for 20 years. The yield in many northern towns is 8 to 12% gross. Try getting that in Zone 3. Section 3. Deposit breakdown. Let's break this down. Purchase price, £60,000. 25% deposit equals £15,000. Some lenders allow 15%. That's £9,000. £9,000. That's 2 financed holidays, a car deposit, a wedding photographer. But somehow a house is impossible? Pause. It's not impossible. It's uncomfortable. Section 4. Why they're cheap. They're cheaper because 1. Lower average incomes. 2. Less economic activity. 3. Some need cosmetic refurb. But cheap doesn't mean worthless. If rent is £600 per month, that's £7,200 per year. On a £60,000 house, that's 12% gross yield. Math doesn't care about postcode pride. Section 5. How to find them. Step 1. Rightmove. Step 2. Zoopla. Step 3. On the market. Step 4. Auction sites. Pattinson. Also. SDL auctions. I'm sold. Search terms. Terraced. Local authority. Investment opportunity. Cash buyers only, sometimes negotiable. Look for heavy checkmark solid structure. Heavy checkmark rental demand. Heavy checkmark near town center. Heavy checkmark near hospital/university. Heavy checkmark EPC D minimum. Section 6. Reality check. Now let's stay smart. Not every £60,000 house is a good deal. Check. 1. Crime rate. 2. Void rates. 3. Local employment. 4. Regeneration. 5. Comparable sold prices. Cheap plus no demand equals liability. Cheap plus demand equals leverage. Section 7. Strategy. Smart investors. Buy £60,000. Spend £10,000 refurb. Value rises to £85,000. Refinance. Recycle deposit. Repeat. That's how portfolios are built quietly. Not with complaints. With spreadsheets. So before you say, I can't afford a house in the UK, ask yourself, have I looked nationwide? Or have I just looked comfortably? There are fewer excuses than people think. The map is bigger than London. Subscribe if you want real UK property data, not property fantasy.